DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is, boy Jambisco back in the lab. You already know what time it is, man. You don't know. Done back in the lab now. We're in the lab with our bang reactions and banger videos. Yeah, man. And they are back with none other than Mr. Darky, you know. You see me and say we're there than Kraff himself. This is actually a SVM, you see me? The one name Starships. So official music video, and check it out and see what dog I deal with. You see me? Yeah, man. Kraff. Don't know Kraff about artist. You see me? One of the best out right now in the dancehall. You see me? For sure. The dog definitely got the vibes, energy, style, lyrics, all that. It's an artist who we like personally to react to, and an artist who me personally listen to and like to react to as well. You see me? I say so. We're not going to vibes for longer. We're going to jump right in the trap. You see me? I say that one of them. This Kraff. Before we get into it, gang, I'm only 700 away from 7k subs. You see me? I say I'm only 3k away from 10k, and I'm trying to reach 10k subs before January, before my birthday. I'll appreciate you guys. That would be the best New Year's and birthday gift. So if you can get me the 10k before January, I appreciate you guys. Only 3k away. You already know what time it is. But yeah, man, gang, we're not going to vibe much longer, man. I jump right in the track. This is Kraff, Starships. You see me? I jump right now. So we're going to do it. Let's get it.
Yo, rapper. Sin is life.
Sin is live. Damn.
I believe, my friend.
Yeah, man, can't know we're not perfect, you know. Now we can't live this life without sin, but to say it is life is kind of a crazy quote. It's a part of life.
The scientific knowledge, the technical ability, and the material to pursue the exploration of the universe.
Blast off the moon. Space boy, make it belly go strong.
This remind me of I think that one called Poetry by Kraff. Like, love another something me no need. Is it right?
Mad and rich. Mad and
Oh, SVM is an artist. Okay. Oh, SVM is an artist. SVM and Kraff. Okay. Starships.
Look pops now a rapper on the boulevard. New GLE down a fresh panda we can. Bricks and I see me love my money like a leprechaun. Chipping on my jeans run up on me and them collect can. Big bitch in on my crib one swallow man. Rapper full of bitch like Salaman.
Yo, dog, have a vibes now, dog. That I am do poetry with dark weird.
Friend them full of brick must see rubber bank. Starship blast after the moon. Space boy make it belly go soon. Then they laugh for me in a high school.
Yeah, man, Stars. Hey, weird. These are vibes. These are vibes. One thing I like with this stage at dancehall, the artists them can be more creative. You see me? I say be more creative, be more expressive, be more metaphoric, be more poetic. You see me? You see me? Be more, you know, a different style of how them talk about things. You see me? I say, but yeah, man, yo, come in. God on time, come on, no man. Like or subscribe. Best reaction channel on YouTube. We growing gang. You see me? We are going to take over youth. Let's get it.
Look pops now a rapper on the boulevard. New GLE down a fresh panda we can.
Yes.
And I see me love my money like a leprechaun. Chipping on my jeans run up on me and them collect can.
Man, look pops. He's a rapper on the boulevard. Oh, I'm Tio man, the dog say, yo pops, you see me there, boy, I make it, man, I do it thing out here. You see me, I say, dog say, you see me big jelly and all these things coming.
Big bitch in on my crib one swallow man. Rapper full of bitch like Salaman. My friend them full of brick must see rubber bank.
Friend them full of brick must see rubber bank. Come in now.
Starship blast after the moon. Space boy make it belly go soon. Then they laugh for me in a high school.
Bad Starship boy blast off to the moon. They hey, them did not laugh. Alright, go on.
She poppin' money, know she can't do it move. Let me feel my dog, them I can't do soon. Yeah, can't do soon.
Say R.I.P. for your dogs, them are gone too soon. That's facts. Come in now.
This watch when me got on a tick.
Yeah.
Jimmy Choo splash and that a sting. Louis V Casa that a drip. Your child learn say a fashion this.
I teach them me G, come
None
on.
of them pussy they no bother me.
Yeah.
We shot a man now, we no watch and see. Top it in a brad here, shot pattern zinc. 7.62 fat me. Madam.
Are you hearing this man right now? You not hear this? Come on, man. Come on, man. You not hear the man, man. I want to hear, man. You not hear Kraff, you know. You not hear Kraff. You dog I say, man.
She poppin' money, now she can't do it more. Let me feel my dog, them I can't do so.
For my dog, them I gone too.
Yeah.
Can't do so.
This watch when me got on a tick. Jimmy Choo splash and that a sting.
I want to hear, man. Come in, Jimmy.
Louis V Casa that a drip. Your child learn say a fashion this. None of them pussy they no bother me. We shot a man
None, no time. I want to know, man. None.
now, we no watch and see. Top it in a brad here, shot pattern zinc. 7.62 fat me. Mad and rich, bad antics. Head chip like Gaddafi.
I want to hear head chip. I want to hear.
Head chip
Like Gaddafi. I
Gaddafi.
want to know if I don't know who that is. Come on.
Blast off to the moon. Blast off to the moon. Blast off to the moon. Blast off to the
Starship blast off to the moon. Space boy make it belly go zoom. Then did that laugh for me in a high
Come on, now, man.
school.
Yeah, man. Then when we start that mafia now, look how we are town, look how we going. Come in, man.
She poppin' money, now she can't do it more. Let me feel my dog, them I can't do soon. Can't do soon. Now I'm chillin' on important, bitch, I'm so important. My old bitch gon' tell me down, I'm at the pool garden. No basketball, but I ball like American Gordon. Weed smoke and any fucking on my organs. Yeah. Any in the weed blast off to the moon.
Come in, man. Blast off. Come in.
Blast off to the moon.
Yeah.
Look pops, no a rapper on the boulevard. New 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓, don't a fresh panda we gun. Bricks and 9 seat, me love him money like a leprechaun. Chipping on my jeans, run up on me and you call it can.
Run up and you collect this youth. I want to hear, man.
Yeah, big bitch in my crib, one swallow man. Rapper full of bitch like Salaman. My friend them full of brick, must see rubber band.
Gaddafi.
Blast off to the moon,
No mad.
blast off to the moon.
Sinaloa. Shot a man.
Blast off to the moon,
Pick him up one night time.
blast off to the moon.
Hey.
Mad.
Mad.
Any blast off to the moon,
Moon.
blast off to the moon.
Moon.
To ignore these great resources would be a corruption
Any
of the
blast off to
gospel
the
message.
moon, blast off to the moon.
Moon. I mean, go for everything you want, man. Blast off. Shoot for the stars. You see me, I say? If you miss a lot on the cloud, come in. Hey, come in, man. SVM, bad artist. Kraff, bad artist. You see me, I say? Look like a Kraff about him, I want to go on. Let me know, gang. Who's SVM? Let me know if you want to hear more from him. You see me, I say? Because I'm going on, man. You see me, that's a vibe. I know him sing poetry with broken poetry with Kraff. How was that Pablo? You see me, I say? But anyway, gang, let me know what you think about it one day. You see me in the comment section. If you like it, if you're going to show that to some of us, support, make you know how to dance. You know. You see me, I say? Let me know what your favorite part is, beat, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Yeah, let's chop it up. Like I said, 3K away from 700 away from 7K and 3K away from 10K, gang. Trying to hit 10K before New Year's, trying to hit it before January. You see me, it will be the best New Year's and birthday present. I appreciate y'all. So get your boy to 10K. You know we're grinding non-stop. Videos dropping, bangers dropping. You see me? Yeah, we're getting in that mode, man. Going crazy. You're gonna see videos drop like never before. You see me? I say, but anyway, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. Most important part, each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth.
even when I lie.